In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix mouse and touchpad problem on your Windows. So let's get started. So we'll start with the mouse problem. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar, simply type mouse properties. Okay. Then you have to click on mouse settings under the best match. Now once you find that, you just need to simply scroll down. And then here we can find this option, additional mouse settings. Now here we have to simply locate pointers, and here you will find, or this one, pointer options. Okay, so it's pointer options tab. Then here you'll find select a pointer speed. So you have to try a new pointer speed. You can either decrease it or increase it as to what will work for you. It depends on as to what pointer speed will work for you. And then you have to click on apply, click on OK. Okay. So you have to decrease it or increase it depending on the pointer speed that will work for you. Click on apply and click on OK. Now close this. Now for the simple way of fixing this issue is we can also just try to restart our Windows. So press the Windows key, and then you need to use the tab key on your keyboard, and then use the right arrow key to get into the power button, hit enter. Use the down arrow key and select the restart button, hit enter to make a simple restart on your Windows. And if that simple restart fix your issue, well good, but if not, move to the next methods. Okay, so we have to open the device manager window. So press Windows key and R button together. Now here we need to simply type devmgmt.msc. So since we cannot use our mouse or our touchpad, so we need to use our keyboard. devmgmt.msc and hit enter. And this will open the device manager window. So here we need to use the tab key. So once you use the tab key, just simply use the down arrow key until you can get into mice and other pointing devices. Now hit or click the right arrow key. Then here we have to simply choose your mouse or the driver. Hit enter. Then use the tab key until you can get into the general tab. Now use the right arrow key. And then use the tab key to select update driver. Hit enter. Now, you can go with search automatically for drivers. If you are connected to an internet connection, you have to hit enter for search automatically for drivers. Now, if searching automatically for drivers doesn't fix your issue, then you have to go to the second option. So use the down arrow key and use browse my computer for drivers. Hit enter. Use the tab key or the down arrow key to let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Hit enter. Now simply choose the driver from here, the latest one, or as to what driver will work for you, and you have to click on the next by using the tab key or the tab key. Hit enter. Then once you have updated your driver, you just need to make a restart. To press Windows key, and then you have to use the tab key to get into the power button. Use the right arrow key to get into it. Hit enter, and then use the down arrow key and click on the restart. Then for the next method, so we have to close this window. You have to uninstall the device. So use the tab key again and hit into the uninstall device and hit enter. Then click on the uninstall or hit enter for the uninstall button. So once you have uninstalled the driver, then you have to reinstall it by just restarting your Windows. So after you have uninstalled the driver, press Windows key again, use the tab key. Use right arrow key to get into the power button, hit enter. Use the down arrow key and hit enter to restart your Windows. And after restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.